small function on behalf of Bloom to Life Foundation. Today's whole program is conducted by them. It's not actually a program, it's an informal way just to meet you, because as we know, for the program you are the most important people. And Bloom to Life Foundation has been associated with us for the last 11 years now. And this is a foundation who is based in US. And we have Ganesh here who has started the foundation. And with this effort, we have been supporting children from all over India. And for the last few years, he has stepped up. He is completely into this. And he has visited here 2023, and this year he has come here specifically to see all of us. And he just wants to meet every person who has worked behind the scenes to make this a success. So I will hand over to
Thank you,
Ganesh.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, good morning, everyone. I've been here in Kochi for the last 5 days. Today is the last day. I'm leaving this evening. And usually when you see a movie, you need to have a climax, right? After the fight, songs and everything, you need to have the best finish. I think meeting you guys is the climax where, from the bottom of my heart, I wanted to thank each one of you here for the selfless service that you guys are doing. I specifically asked doctors not to come for this meeting. I wanted only the support staff to come for this meeting. There's a reason behind that. A lot of us are very invisible, right? I mean, we do a lot of work, nursing work. The child will be crying, you might be soothing the child, but there's no appreciation that comes for us, right? We are invisible. Excuse me, if most of the people can understand Tamil, I can talk in Tamil. Most of you can understand Tamil? எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் புரியுமா? அப்போ நான் தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன். ஏன்னா அது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கு. நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசினா உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் புரியறது கஷ்டமா இருக்கலாம். ஏன்னா நான் அதான் பேசுறது. பட் எல்லாரும் இப்போ இங்க இருக்கிறத பார்த்தா நான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒரு 10 மினிட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் தமிழுங்கிறனால. இங்க இருக்கிறவங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்க வந்து ஒரு 3 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேல ஒர்க் பண்றவங்க எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கீங்க? 3 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேல ஒரு 60-70% is 3 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேல இல்ல? 5 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேல? Okay, or 25% of them, or 10% of them are 5 years மேல. Okay. So இந்த 3 இயர்ஸ்ல எத்தனையோ பார்த்திருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? ஒரு குழந்தைய ஒரு பேரண்ட்ஸ் கொண்டாந்து கொடுக்கும்போது அந்த குழந்தைக்கு வந்து ஹார்ட்ல ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு அது கொடுக்கும்போது அந்த குழந்தை வருமா இல்லையான்னு நினைப்புல தான் அவங்க வந்து கொடுக்குறாங்க. அது கொடுத்து அந்த சர்ஜரி முடிஞ்சு அந்த குழந்தை ரிகவரி ஆகும் பொழுது அந்த பேரண்ட்ஸோட மனநிலை எப்படி போகுது பாக்குறீங்க இல்லையா? நீங்க அதை டெய்லி பாக்குறீங்கல்ல. ஆனா sometimes when we do behind the scene things, nobody knows us. Correcta? You are all invisible. Am I right? Right? So in the organization பொறுத்த வரைக்கும், Bloom to Life அப்படிங்கிற ஆர்கனைசேஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும், as a founder, me, my wife and Dr. Sangeeta, 3 பேர் ஆரம்பிச்சோம். We wanted to be invisible. Meaning like, we wanted to do what needs to be done, things needs to be done, but we shouldn't be seen outside. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Like, are you with me on that? So, then I thought through, how could I be invisible, but still be powerful, right? You have to be invisible, but you need to make a statement. So in the last 11 years, I mean in the April Masam, we are turning 11 years old. Bloom to Life is turning 11 years old. We never had any celebration about it or anything, but today is a special day. I wanted to make it as a celebration itself, where in the 11 years, along with Amrita, we have helped around 370 children with heart surgeries. And that has been possible only because of you all. I want to give a hand for you guys. Thank you. Without you all, it is not possible. It's impossible. So, one of the things we need to do in Bloom to Life is, we raise money and we support the children with heart surgeries. It's not money from my pocket. I don't have money. If I had money, I would have written a check and I would have gone. But we have to ask people for money, and then we get the money, and then we pay. But the way we do it is, non-profit generally என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, foundations, they ask for money from people. நீங்க அப்படிதான் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. When we want to, temple function is there, we will go everybody's house, we'll all collect money, and then we'll do a temple function or cricket match. Everything is like that, right? Similarly, non-profit, they are all used to asking money, beg for money, and then the money person who's giving feels very big because they are giving money, and then we are thankful to them, and then we do that, right? But Bloom to Lifeல வேற மாதிரி பண்றோம். So far in the last 11 years, we have not asked even one person to give money. We have not asked one person to give money, but money is flowing. இது வரைக்கும், I mean, every month we are doing surgeries. பணம் வந்துட்டு தான் இருக்குது. என் பணம் கிடையாது, என் பொண்டாட்டி பணம் கிடையாது, டாக்டர் சங்கீதா பணம் கிடையாது. அப்புறம் எங்கேருந்து வருது? யாரோ கொடுக்குறாங்கல்ல. அதுக்கு we need to do marketing and we need to talk about us. ஸோ அதுக்கு எப்படி பண்ணுறோம்னா, we talk about the problem. இப்படி ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு. மேபி உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கலாம், 100 குழந்தை பிறந்ததுன்னா ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். தட் இஸ் பயாலஜி. 100 children are born, one is with heart problem. Around the world, not here, everywhere. அப்போ 1% of the global population has this problem, which is the future population, tomorrow's population. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, Amma has built one new hospital across the street, right? You're seeing that. That's going to be pediatric department itself. ஏன்னா நாளைய குழந்தைங்களுக்கு பார்க்கறதுன்னு முக்கியம். A person who is 50 plus years old coming and taking care is fine. We only have like 15-20 years left. But that child is having 70 years, right? So we need to take care of them. அப்படி இருக்கிற ஒரு இதில் வந்து அமெரிக்காவில் 40,000 children are born with congenital heart disease every year. But எல்லா குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் அங்கே ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கிடைக்குது because government gives the access to care, right? இந்தியாவில் 2,50,000 குழந்தைகள், 2,50,000 children, 70,000 children are born with congenital heart disease. Only 10% gets treated. 2,50,000 children end up dying every year. I'm giving you raw data. Dr. KK will correct me, it's not correct, and all our data correct, but average, this is the fact. Only 10% dies. 10% survives, 90% dies. Is the CHD as a problem? Did the doctors solve it? Can we transplant heart? Can we do structural closure? Can we reconstruct arteries? Can we do all those things? Yes, right? Doctors have already solved that problem. Yes or no? I can't hear you guys.
Yes.
Are we in the same page? Am I lying or you guys agree with me? Doctors have solved the problem or not? Yes. So what is missing then? Those children don't have access to care. Correct? Those children don't have access to care. So Bloom to Life is solving that problem, not CHD problem. Why the children are... Sorry, இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு பேச்சுக்கு சொல்றேன். What is the second tier city of Kerala? Like in Tamil Nadu we call Tiruchi, Madurai, Chennai. Chennai is first tier. Tiruchi is second tier. Coimbatore is first tier. Like that. What is the smaller towns in Kerala? Any name? Kerala, Kochi is a big town. What is a smaller town? Palakkad? Idukki. So let's say I'm in Idukki and I have a heart attack. Do you think they can take care of me in Idukki right then? There will be a cardiologist who can take care of it. I can get angio treatment right there within 1 hour. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, in Idukki there is facilities where you can get treated. You can go check yourself. There will be a cardiologist, there will be a hospital where angio could be done easily. Easily it could be done. But in Idukki, if a child has a CHD, can they get treated? No. In 70% of India, the children don't have access to care. அது என்ன காரணம்னா, ஃபார் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ல வந்து பீடியாட்ரிக் கேர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வச்சிருந்தா, அதுவும் கார்டியாக் கேர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வச்சிருந்தா அவங்களுக்கு லாபம் வராது, நட்டம் ஜாஸ்தி. ஏன்னா குழந்தைங்க பொலிட்டிஷியன்ஸ் கிடையாது. They don't have money to pay. So the hospitals choose not to build those departments. அப்போ என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, 70% ஆஃப் இந்தியாவில் அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஆக்சஸே கிடையாது. நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு சிஹெச்டி ப்ராப்ளமுக்கு வந்து ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும்னா they have to come to Kochi, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Mumbai, some part of Calcutta, அவ்வளோதான் டெல்லி. மற்ற ஊரில் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ஃபெசிலிட்டியே கிடையாது. So that is the problem. And in states like Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, Jammu Kashmir, it's even worse. So what we took care of from 2015 we stumbled upon an issue. நான் சிஎஸ்டி டாக்டர்லாம் கிடையாது. ஒரு டிரைவர் ஒருத்தரை மீட் பண்ண, அவங்க குழந்தைக்கு வந்து ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தது. அதை ஹெல்ப் பண்ண போகும்போது ஏன் இது ரெகுலராக பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு ஆரம்பிச்சதுல தான் we are at 11 years now, we have helped 350. But how many children need help actually? எவ்வளோ குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு தேவைப்படுது? I said the number now. Can you guys guess? Anybody?
2,70,000.
Please go ahead, louder.
2,70,000.
2,70,000 needs help, but how many gets help? Only 10%. So 2,50,000 don't have access. Where are we? 340 mukyama, 2 lakh venuma. Should we even celebrate? Should we even celebrate 11 years? Yes or no? No. Correct? We should not even celebrate. Then why this party? So we have to have a website. We have to give grant proposals. I have to submit to foundations. I have to speak to people about this cause. There is a lot of work that goes behind the scenes to raise money without asking for money. Adula vandu, I don't want to have my profile picture as a profile picture and show this person is doing it. No, it's not. Who is doing this actually, helping the children now? Yaar help pandra? The people who you are sitting here, right? You are the one who is doing the grunt work. Surgeons do their work, the doctors diagnose and everything. But அந்த குழந்தை அழுகுதா, அது எதுக்கு அழுகுது, வலிக்கிறத வந்து டாக்டர் கூப்பிடணுமா வேணாமான்னு யார் முடிவு பண்றது? Who decides that? Huh? Louder. There you go. This is the people who are sitting here are actually servant leaders. நீங்க சொன்னாதான் டாக்டர் வருவாங்க. ஏன்னா உங்களை நம்புறாங்க டாக்டர். உங்களை நம்பலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? They have to come and stand, but they have to sleep as well, right? So who actually monitors the children? You guys. So this is the grassroots organization. So I wanted to have my profile picture with you all guys, with your permission. Is it okay for you guys to be with me in the picture that will be published around the world? Because you have to be okay with that. I can't just like that take a picture and use it. It's inappropriate to do that. For whatever it is, I need to have consent from you guys, saying that yes, I'm okay to be representing this.
Yes.
Are you guys okay with that?
Yes.
So the message will go as like this. When I am with you guys, again, 90% is women here. So a bald guy looking different, they know I am the one, right? But when they see you, they will believe that I'm not alone. I have an army of people. And it's a conversation I'm going to have, saying that நாங்க தனியா இல்லப்பா, எங்க கூட ஒரு ஆர்மியே இருக்கு. ஆனா நாங்கெல்லாம் வாய்க்கு திறந்து பேச மாட்டோம். நாங்க செய்யற வேலையை செஞ்சுட்டு இருப்போம். ஏன்னா அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு பேச தெரியாது, அவங்க வந்து politicians கிடையாது. But we wanted to make sure that we do the right thing of helping the children. Right? The mission of the Bloom to Life, or vision of the Bloom to Life, is we want to give the best possible pediatric cardiac care to the most underserved children in this world. And it starts with when we first started, first few years, we did locally Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Then we strategically expanded. In the last 11 years, we have helped children from 18 different states. And what we identified was Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha, and Jammu Kashmir are the ones which needs the biggest help, and Jharkhand is the one which needs the most help, because 80% of the people are tribal people. They have not even come out of that little town they are in. So now we are doing medical camps regularly. If 100 children have been identified, last weekend we were there, they are going to come. One of the things, so two asks I have today. One, are you guys okay with the picture for me? Yes or no? Yes. You can say no, you're not going to hurt my feelings. Okay? That's number one. It will be published. It will be there in website, it might go in documents. You guys are okay with that, right? Yeah, and I'm going to say this is the army which does that. The second ask from me is this. நீங்க ஏற்கனவே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறது, you are already doing that. That's why this hospital is one of the best hospitals in the world. What are you doing here? A child is a child. அது பணக்கார குழந்தை ஏழை குழந்தைன்னு பாக்குறீங்களா? Are you differentiating between this a rich child, VIP child, low VIP child? Huh? Anybody?
No.
Does the child say that my father is so and so? Anytime we go somewhere, we'll first say, oh, my father is this. So what? Right? A child is a child. You guys take care of the same way, right? So I just want to reinforce that value. I'm not saying that you should do it. I'm reinforcing it. அதாவது நீங்க செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கறத இன்னும் நல்லா செய்யுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான் சொல்றேன். Because you're doing this well is why I'm standing here. Right? என்னன்னா நான் ஜார்க்கண்ட்ல பார்த்ததுன்னா பாவம் அவங்கலாம். அதுக்கு ஒரு மாற்று துணி கிடையாது. They only have one set of clothes that they wear. Sometimes ரெண்டு இருந்தா பணக்காரங்க உங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். they have 2 sets of clothes, they are rich people. In the they have to deal with the child's problem, right? So அந்த மாதிரி மக்களை நம்ம ட்ரெயினில் கொண்டாடுறதுக்கு வந்து we are going to put some new process in place. I did not know all these things until last week. Now I know, and we are putting in some special programs in place where we will pay for the second AC ticket for them to let them come comfortably. அதாவது idea is this, அவங்க நம்மளுடைய சர்க்கிள்ல இருந்து வெளியில இருக்கும்போது அவங்க எப்படி வேணாலும் இருக்கட்டும், that's okay. When they come into our preview, we have chosen the child, we have given the ticket, they are going to trust us and come here, correct? So when they take the train, we want to make sure they are comfortable. Second AC ல நம்ம குறைஞ்சு போக முடியல, குழந்தை கொஞ்சம் அழுகாம வரட்டும், 2 நாள் வரணும் ட்ரெயின்ல. ஃப்ளைட்ல வரணும்னு தான் எனக்கு ஆசை, அது வேணாங்கிறாங்க. சரி ஓகே, செகண்ட் ஏசியில் வரட்டும். செகண்ட் ஏசியில் வரும்போது அட்லீஸ்ட் அது குழந்தை வரட்டும். அங்கே வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் we are going to give them a token or something where we are working through that. பாவம் பசியில் இருக்கக்கூடாது, பேரண்ட்ஸ் அவங்க சாப்பிட்டோம், they could have brought a sibling with them. யோசிச்சு பாருங்களேன், when one child is having sickness, the other child as well, the parents do not take care of the other child, they only take care of the sick child. So the other child feels jealous, there is enmity between them. So at least we take care of that other child by giving some good food. Let's get some good clothes, like couple of clothes, so that 2 நாளைக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி மாத்திக்கிட்டு ஒரு பேக்கேஜ் மாதிரி போடலாம். The ask from you guys is, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாருக்கும் நீங்க அதெல்லாம் பண்றீங்க, அப்படி இருக்கிறவங்கள பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கேரா இருக்கு. ஒரு no need to show them pity. Nobody likes pittiness. All of us have our own problems. யார் வீட்லயாவது கஷ்டமே இல்லாம யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா இங்க? Anybody here who doesn't have any problem in the house? I have 1000 problems with me. If I start talking, I can talk for 1 more hour. And that's just to tell the headings, not even the details, right? So 2 asked, one is your pictures, second is treat them with dignity. Just because we are giving a free service, that doesn't mean that we should treat them like cattle. They should be treated with absolute dignity. Absolute dignity to the children, absolute dignity to the parents. And when they go, they should feel happy. That's all we need. They don't need to tell thanks to us. Don't expect that. I am sure you don't expect that, because that's why you guys are here, right? So it's been 11 years. I'm truly thankful to you guys. We want to continue doing this. Every year we want to increase what we can do, but he knows we will try, we will give our best. Until we reach the 250,000 children to be saved every year, we won't rest. But it might happen in my lifetime, it may not happen in my lifetime, but I'll dedicate myself for this. Thank you guys, appreciate it.